If you are facing problem with your Discord audio or you are not getting audio from your Discord, this tutorial review will show you how to fix no audio volume error on Discord. So the first solution is open your Discord app and click on user settings. Select your voice and video. You will get your output device option here. So tap on this drop down and from here select your output device. Make sure output volume is set 100% and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is right click on your volume icon here. Click on open volume mixer. And here you will find Discord. Make sure it's selected 100 and then check the problem if fixed or not. The third solution is go to your settings and here click on streamer mode. If your streamer mode is enabled, disable this option and then check the problem if fixed or not. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.